Hello guys, today I got the Quintessential Quintuplet Volume 4 Japanese version booster box, yeah. The cover is really beautiful. Okay. Six 12 booster pack it includes. I think this one is promotional one. I don't know. Let's open this one first. Oh, Yosuba. Let's open the first part. I think Ichika. Yeah, Ichika. Then this one is Isuki. Yeah. Isuki. Ichika. Yosuba. And Isuki. Really cute. Okay. Let's open the second pack. And let's see what we got. Isuki, Miku, Nino, Isuki, another Isuki. Let's open from this one. Which is your favorite quintuplet? For me, I think Miku and Nino. I also love Nino. Ichika, Nino. Oh, Yosuba manga version. Nino. Wow, Miku. That's a session. Really nice card. Got a really nice card, yeah. Let's open another one. Miku session. Miku. Ichika. It's also Miku. Ichika. Nino. Nice. Nino swimsuit version. I'm gonna have to fill out my binder with this one, yeah. Let's open another one. Ichika, Yosuba, and then Isuki, Yosuba. Wow, this is Nino? I think Nino, yeah. Yeah, Nino. Double real, I think. Really nice. Let's open another one. With the sign card, Yosuba. This one is Nino, I think. Wow, that look nice. Miku, Nino, and Yosuba. Okay, let's open another one. Yosuba, Nino, Miku Sensu version. So Miku and Nino. Good. Another one. Come on. Nino. Oopsie. Nino. Another Nino. Yosuba. Ichika. And also Ichika. Let's open another one. Isuki, Nino, Yosuba, Isuki, Nino. Nice card. I only have 3. Okay, let's open this one first. Nino, Isuki, or Ichika, Sensu version, another Nino. That's good. Okay, last 2 part. Come on, let's roll. Ichika, Nino, and Isuki. Let's open the last one. Hope we get the sign card. I don't know. Yosuba, Isuki, Yosuba, and Ichika. Sadly, we don't have any sign card, but we've got at least flying card. These are good. I think that's normal for the 1 booster box, but yeah, that's still great for the price. Yeah, I don't know, man. That's good. Let's see on the another video then.